So VARSK, it's a vacuum cleaner and tire inflator. Comes with a nice bag, extension hose, brush piece, crevice piece, an extra filter, and the hose for the tire inflator. Well, I guess it just clips on. Anyways, let's try this vacuum out. Oh, here's some extra tips. Fuse, tip for like a bed or something, and inflate a basketball. And then you set the PSIs right here, and then you turn it right here. Down is for inflator, up is for vacuum. It's working very good. It's doing the job, bro. In that little bit of time, I got all that dirt. And it has the light on it too. So in that little time, that little bit of dirt. Cool. Save some space.